Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to show you a very important, very useful tool of Adobe Photoshop. So and which is how we can transfer selection in Adobe Photoshop with. So what you need to do, you just first you just need to select selection. And you can rotate it. Suppose you want to skew it. So what basically what you need to do is that you click free transform, and it's distort image, so I can skew it like this. Also you can click on it and you can wrap it like this. See how it is working. And again you can select it and then then you can free transform, pick it, then transform it with the perspective skew scale. So what you do is that it will increase the size of the photo. Okay, so or others you can perspective the image like this. This is how. So if I'm taking a font, okay, I'm writing a font. Look also Podolsky. You can do same thing with the text. So yeah, so okay, then you can change the then date, and then what you can do, then free transform it and transform like skew it. Also you can wrap, rotate, wrap it. Okay, thank you all. That's all for today. If you want to learn more, and so keep watching my videos, and don't forget to press like and hit subscribe button if you find my videos helpful. Thank you all. Best of luck.